Hey guys, welcome back to our vegan kitchen. It's veganuary. Hope you're having a great time. I've got a little bit of a different video for you today. I have to ask you some questions.
Okay.
Are you hungry?
Yes.
Are you broke?
Yes.
Are you in a hurry?
Usually.
Do you have a lot of equipment? Well, we do, but in case like you're a college student or you're just, in your first apartment, you don't have all the stuff. So this is going to be something that's going to fill you up in a hurry. It's going to be cheap and it's going to be easy and it's going to be healthy. So
Ish.
these are items that everybody's got access to. A can of refried beans, vegan, says it right on the front. Some green onions, super cheap. This is also super cheap. I believe this whole can was like $1.39, $1.35. Some salsa. Come on, tell me you don't have a half jar of salsa left over in your refrigerator right now, because I know you do. Tortillas. Come on, everybody's got 3 tortillas left in a bag somewhere in their refrigerator drawer. And some Daya cheese. We're not even doing like the expensive cheese. This is the accessible, available, cheaper cheese, and it's going to be delicious.
It's still good too.
I love it. I don't have a problem with it
I love
at all.
Daya.
So this is going to be a nice snack, a nice lunch, a nice dinner with a salad maybe. So let's just crack open this can.
You don't even have to use a can opener.
You don't. It comes, yeah. So if you're like a student or whatever, you don't even need a fry pan to do what we're going to be doing. If you've got an iron and wrap it in foil, you could put the iron right on top of this and grill your tortillas.
Whoa.
I know. I've thought of everything. All right, so let's get a tortilla out here. So these are flour tortillas, but you could totally do this with the corn ones as well. And these are kind of tiny because I had them for something else, but you could definitely do like a Chipotle sized one. You could probably get a whole half can like in a Chipotle sized one, maybe even the whole can. So we're going to put a generous amount of the beans on here. Also, if you've got hot sauce, that would be really nice too. We're going to throw some onions on there because, let's face it, green onions make everything a little bit nicer. Let's just stick that right in there. I've staked my claim for veganism. We're just going to do a tablespoon of the salsa because this is going to go everywhere. And then half a slice of cheese. Hey, how do you open this? Oh, here we go. It's already sliced. You don't even need a knife. Boing. Alright, so let's get our pan heated up over here so it's ready to go while we fold this. We're going to put it a little bit lower than med. Let that heat up. Now, isn't this going to be a little tricksy?
You do have a tendency to overstuff.
Well, you know.
Oh no.
I want to get maximum amount in there. I've only got 3 left.
That salsa goes all over.
It sure does. Alright, well, that's okay. Let's grill it. Alright, so it didn't get tucked in that good on the ends, but that's okay. Let's do another one while we're waiting to flip that one.
Let's see if you can really nail it this time.
Alright, well, these are kind of tiny, so onion,
It already smells so good.
salsa. Doesn't it though? Can't you just smell those onions cooking? Where's that little half piece cheese? Here it is. Oh, I think I overstuffed again.
Probably.
Alright, let's try it a little bit. Let's turn it this way this time. So that the salsa's on this side. Nope. Overstuffed. Yeah, that just didn't happen, did
She'll
it?
never learn.
Alright, let me get my flipper.
Are you a child in a beauty pageant that doesn't have all their teeth? I had to.
Let's see what we're working with. Ooh. See, that just takes it to a whole nother level.
Mm-hmm.
You feel like you're getting something special here. And you are. It's going to be delicious. All right, let's try and roll the third one. Maybe you guys in college can do better at rolling than I can.
Oh, God. You're canceled.
This size, you'd probably get like 6 out of a can.
Mm-hmm.
But if you had like a bigger one, probably like 3, I want to say. Do you have a bigger one?
No.
Oh. Maybe if I just like squeeze out some of the salsa juice, it won't leak as much.
I don't know. We're going to find out.
We got an assembly line going here. Let's see.
Is
Will this be the
one?
winner? Oh, maybe. Just a little liquid. That's okay.
Okay. It's definitely the closest.
Well, it is a learning curve then. All right, let's get the first one out of there. Ooh, yeah. Look at that.
Ooh.
Those are some Chipotle quality grill marks on there. And I don't even work there. And we'll see if Maddie thinks it's delicious or not.
I'm gonna find out.
All right, all done and ready to eat. That took like no time
It was
whatsoever.
very fast. Ooh,
So-
tummy yummies.
Yeah, right? Look at that. You had dinner in like 5 minutes.
Yeah. Put that with like a salad. You're
Yeah.
all set. Ooh. All right, let's get a taste. I feel like I got a little bit of everything here.
Yes.
So.
You could also garnish it with a little extra salsa if you wanted.
Or if you had more stuff going on in your kitchen and you made the yellow sauce.
Right.
But this is like a nice, easy thing.
But this is like anybody could do this. I mean, cheap,
Mm.
fast, delicious, somewhat healthy.
Satisfying.
Yes.
Mm.
And that's something that's
Very
going to keep
good.
you full for a while too.
Mhm.
And you could grab in between classes or
Yum, 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 yum.
wiping noses and butts.
I might just eat this like as a snack. Like the one. Just one.
All right.
Really good.
Why, thank you. So if you want more quick, easy, delicious, cheap recipes, and vegan, of course,
Mhm.
let us know.
Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you're having a great veganuary. Until next time, much love.